How is conservation linked to our health? It's straightforward. Healthy nature equals healthy communities and vice versa. Our partnerships have shown us that community well-being is key for snow leopard conservation success. And well-being doesn't just mean livelihood opportunities and inclusion. For people to thrive, they need healthcare access. And in places like Dolpa, Nepal's remote highlands, that access is tough. Traditional healers are heavily relied on, and today, their practice risks fading without support. So could backing traditional medicine speed up efforts to protect both people and nature, including snow leopards? At the core of health and well-being across Dolpa are Amchis. Amchis are revered traditional healers who practice Sowa Rigpa, one of the oldest medical traditions in the world, relying on sustainably managed elements from nature to treat physical and spiritual health.
सुविधालाई चाहिँ माथि जाने तल जानेलाई चाहिँ हात खुट्टा दुखेको चाहिँ टाउको दुखेको झमझम पारेको यो सबै सन्चो हुन्छ यहाँ चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ औषधि छैन भन्ने चीज एउटा पनि छैन.
For centuries, they've served as the only source of healthcare for hundreds of communities across highland regions throughout the world. They're among key players recognized by the World Health Organization in the effort to ensure global healthcare access. Their wealth of knowledge is built across generations through collective learning over time.
nga lo ni thamba ne phene tanda lo tundu tonga to empty chawa ye nge pawa meme nang ne meme kham sang di empty la par chang che so ta nga sang chi din ji ji to le pe phama cha chi den da ji 강을 첨부제 MG자 유를 팬도 첨부랑도 미직 드네 희어나 속 첨부께나 맨직이 튼 속적라고 척게 팬년 첨부에서 빠바고 나를 갖다라 납중아 단달래 더러운가 제 답을
Adding to their immediate healthcare services, Amchis are also vital in protecting nature. They've developed time-tested techniques to conserve nature's elements for future use across generations, laying a strong foundation for sustainable resource management. But their practice faces decline, not just because the nature they rely on is changing rapidly, also because the realities around them are too. So when we supported the creation of an Amchi hospital in the 1990s, and found it bolted shut in 2018, Shefoksundo National Park and WWF dug deeper to understand what led to its closure, with each hurdle showing us that this one hospital symbolizes the broader issues confronting Sowa Rigpa. So, collaborating with faith leaders and communities, we're working to develop solutions to help Sowa Rigpa adapt alongside a fast-changing Dolpa. First, we face the challenge of finances. In centuries past, kindness was the main form of payment. But in today's cash-based economy, kindness simply isn't enough to continue their practice.
नबु अलि आमजीको लागि आमजी पनि कम भयो. अब एउटा तलबले चाहिँ मान्छेलाई चाहिँ अरा त्यति खेरेर पनि पुग्दैन भने साथी पनि एउटा हुन्थ्यो. एउटा सहयोग भयो भने एउटा चाहिँ काम दिन्थ्यो.
감상하자 능다 당에만 에만 제때메티 진죽도 들으시 매매네 밑에 셈바 두기래 밑에 이무기래서 내가 삼는 동안 해봐라 다 telengale yang ram 쟁게 수zamete 당을 주된데 발장 제자와라 어디시
That's why we're working with Amchis, faith-based leaders, and communities on a shared journey to find pathways for Amchis to earn a meaningful income. At the Amchi hospital we supported creating, we're modeling one solution. Those who can pay are charged, so that services can be provided even to those who can't afford it. potential linkages to tourism are also being explored. A win-win for tourists who would gain unique cultural experiences in traditional healing and Amchi hospitals in need of income. This may be new for Dolpa, but Amchis elsewhere have already begun embracing this change. Another threat? Over time, Sowa Rigpa has incorporated the use of natural materials which have now become rare or illegal to use. So, we are also working with Amchis to document their traditional knowledge, while finding solutions to phase out endangered wildlife parts, with largely plant-based sustainable alternatives. Today, there is hope. The Amchi hospital, once bolted shut, now has a shot at sustainability. So that both Sowa Rigpa and the nature it relies on can continue to flourish through a model that adapts to present realities while preserving lessons from the past, maintaining the status of Amchis as pillars for health of both people and nature for generations to come. But why is this so important for snow leopards?
Amchi कर ले रहे
Amchi pang ada.
Amchi pang atong. You call it atong sira mana?
आटो से
Atong sira. Pang atong na atong.